He said to me that there are some athletes who, in order to go to international races, require to run in an accredited marathon, one that is recognized by the World Athletics. And so this is an opportunity for our young people to be able to have a certification time and be able to enter. They cannot enter Boston until they have a best time. They cannot enter Chicago until they have a best time. How many of them will afford to go to the Nairobi Expressway Marathon? How many of them can afford to go to Nairobi to go to the Standard Marathon? So how is it that we don't have, we're not keeping up with this marathon? So yes, this is extremely important. It's an opportunity for all our young people to be able to start. And yes, thank you to those sponsors who have already taken, who have supported us. Huawei Kenya, we want to say thank you. Safaricom, thank you. Kenya Airports Authority, asante. Mozilla, and all the others, Rivertex, Pit Stop, Pipeline, Life Care, Top Hill, thank you for coming through for us. And I want to also say thank you to the retired athletes.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for joining us this morning on the official launch of the 5th Eldoret edition of the Eldoret City Marathon. We are happy to be back on the streets of this great city of champions for yet another opportunity to run with a new perspective and renowned champions. As you are all aware, the marathon has two races. Full marathon, 42 kilometers, 0.195 for both men and women. And we have 5 kilometers for our sponsors, VIPs, and the entire community of Eldoret to join us celebrate this marathon. Ladies and gentlemen, this year, supported by our sponsors, we are targeting to register about 10,000 runners.
Atukiruga kaunti-ini ya Mombasa kuria